Hello and good morning. Got to fill this up with gas. I'll be danged if I don't put one of these in there before I do. So here we are. This will be my first time messing with this. Tell y'all what I think about it. Come on. Comes with the drill bit that you're going to need. A little wrench. 3 of the vent thingies. So you can do this on 3 different gas cans. And comes with a wire. Alright, on the back is the directions. Alright. So we're not exactly going to throw them away, but we're not going to think too hard about this either. We're going to disassemble all of this. The cap. Then it's got this nut. Come on. Washer. And 2 O-rings. We're going to leave 1 O-ring on there, obviously, right? It's obvious to me. Let's clean it up with the old pocket knife. Let's go in this way. Up and out the front. This really seems like it's going to work easy. Right up through there. All right. Yeah, it does seem like it's going to work really easy. This is going to be brilliant. Because I've already got, you know, one of those spigots that wasn't meant for this can, you know. Because it came with the other type of spigot that you got to push it in and then pour. I just wanted straight pour. And well, it's not vented at all. And so it's a real pain. Look at this. Let's get this wire off of here. Oh, now this might be a bit of a challenge right here. Let's go ahead and take this tape off. There we go. Come on, come on. All right. There we have it. I put a little kink in it at the end to hold it in place. It's on. Now we just got to tighten it up. Probably don't need to get it very tight at all. trying to hold on to this. That'll do it. Hot dang. Well, I got a little vent now on my gas can. I wonder if I can blow that back out. Here we go, guys. Yep. There we go. All right. Well, that was pretty uneventful. Didn't have anything to say while I was doing it, really, but there, it's done. Now I've got a fuel tank with a vent on it. Okay, so will it last forever? Probably not. Is it worth what I paid for it? Probably. And it's called fuel can vent caps. Got this sucker on Amazon, and now I have a couple smaller cans that I might actually put these in, or I might not. I don't know. Might just leave it the way it is. But yeah, I'm happy. Pretty boring video, but all right, whatever, is what it is. I'm gonna go get 15 gallons of ethanol free 92 octane. That's what I run in everything. I only run 92 octane simply because that's what I can get, you know. And so there's that, and I'm going to get a gallon of methanol. So I prefer calling it methanol or meth, you know, but that is the stuff that a lot of people, they call it alcohol, but it's methyl alcohol or methane alcohol, something like that. I'm going to go get a gallon of that stuff, and I'm going to put it in the Blue Max and try and make it run. Later.